Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a eye makeup look which can go from day to night, also known as subtle to glam eye makeup look. So if you want to know how I do that look with just one eyeshadow palette, then please continue watching.
It needs a bridge, been too scared that I unravel.
So guys, I've already done my base and I applied my lipstick as well. So now I'm going to do a day to night or a subtle to glam eye makeup look using only one palette, only one eyeshadow palette, and this one's the S.F.R. It's My Pleasure eyeshadow palette, and it has all the beautiful stunning shades that you can use for day as well as night. So I'm gonna start with the day look, which is the subtle eye makeup look, and for that I'm going to use the shades in this, which is like this light pink shade and the brown one, and I'm gonna make my liner with this. So it's going to be really simple, and then we can glam it up with the same palette. So let's get started.
Criticized myself for trusting lies. I know I can't hide, 'cause then I'd be alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I unravel. Brick by brick I built these walls. Now I know that I'm enough. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them down. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Just watch me march towards the battle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. Watch me march. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? I just realized.
So now since we did the subtle, which is the day eye makeup look, now we are gonna move on to the night one, which is the glam eye makeup look. So it's not necessary that your subtle eye makeup looks should always be brown and blacks, but it can also be pink, brown and maroon. It depends on how you blend it or how you combine your colors. So now I'm gonna move on to my glam eye makeup look, and again I'm gonna use the same S.F.R. eyeshadow palette. And now for the glam one, I'm gonna use this shade here, which is like a very purplish shade, and it's called Chiclet. And the other one I'm gonna use either Bare Minimum or Mr. Sandman. So this is the Chiclet shade, and I'm gonna use either this Sandman or this one, Bare Minimum. So now let's get started.
I criticized myself for trusting lies. I know I can't hide, 'cause then I'd be alone, stuck on the inside. The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared that I'd unravel. Brick by brick, I built these walls. Now I know that I'm enough. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them down. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Just watch me march towards the battle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. I'm gonna tear down this castle. Watch me march. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? Castle. If it can't tear you apart, is it really love? Castle. If it couldn't break your heart, is it really love? Castle. If it can't tear you apart, is it really love?
So guys, these were the two types or the two shades of makeup, which is the day and the night, also known as subtle to glam eye makeup look. So if you like this tutorial, make sure that you like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias, links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I just realized I've built walls a mile